Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this battery replacement. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a suction cup. Having these on hand will make the process much smoother. Start by powering off your Xiaomi STYTJ01ZHM. This is crucial to prevent any electrical shorts during the process. Next, use the suction cup to gently lift the screen away from the body of the device. Insert the plastic prying tool between the screen and the device casing, carefully running it along the edges to release the clips. Be patient and gentle here to avoid cracking the screen. Once the screen is free, set it aside on a soft, clean surface. Now, you will see the internal components. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help ensure that your device remains in good condition after the battery replacement. Locate the battery connector. It is typically secured by a few screws. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, carefully disconnect the battery by lifting the connector from the motherboard. If the connection is tight, use the plastic prying tool to gently assist. Now, it's time to remove the old battery. If you're having difficulty, a bit of heat can help soften the adhesive. Use a heat gun or hairdryer on low heat for a few seconds. Once the battery is loose, lift it out carefully. Next, prepare your new battery for installation. Make sure it matches the specifications required for your Xiaomi STYJ01ZHM. Place the new battery into the compartment and connect it to the motherboard. Ensure that the connection is secure, as a loose connection can lead to charging issues. Reattach the screws to secure the battery connector, and then clean up any remaining adhesive residue using isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab. This step is important to maintain the integrity of your device. Now, carefully align the screen back onto the device body. Press down gently along the edges to snap it back into place. Make sure all clips are securely fastened. At this point, before you power it on, ensure that everything is in order. If you don't have the tools or the time to perform this repair yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, as well as pickup and delivery at your home. This means no calls, no travel, and you can receive a quote before repair. Finally, turn on your Xiaomi STYJ01ZHM. If everything was done correctly, your device should power up and recognize the new battery without issues. Take a moment to verify that everything is functioning properly. Congratulations! You've just replaced the battery in your Xiaomi STYJ01ZHM. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.